Hello, welcome to Human English, the live online business English training company. I'm Monica Polt from Philadelphia in the USA, and I have 20 years of experience teaching business professionals business English both in companies and online. I am a head teacher with Human English, and I specialize in teaching English for meetings, presentations, negotiations, and English for freelancers. Our new English for Freelancers course is designed for independent working professionals and will help you improve all of your language skills of speaking, reading, writing, and listening comprehension. You will learn the necessary vocabulary and skills to present yourself and your services, negotiate with clients and partners, and hold conference calls and meetings. The course also includes lessons on preparing your CV and job interviewing skills, selling yourself to new potential clients, and negotiating and accepting a proposal. All skills which freelancers need to be skilled at, and as I am also a freelancer, I'm very familiar with these topics. After completing the course, you will be able to communicate professionally, target more English-speaking clients, and win higher-paying jobs. All of our lessons are interactive and will include live role plays and simulations with both the trainer and your fellow classmates. You will learn practical language skills that you can start using immediately. After each lesson, you will receive a video recording of the lesson to review at your leisure, as well as a personalized language report with the new vocabulary and self-study tasks. With our English for Freelancers course, you will not only learn new English skills necessary to compete in the competitive marketplace, but you will also become more confident in your overall speaking fluency and comprehension. You can check our site to find the right course for you that fits your busy schedule. I look forward to seeing you soon in the classroom.